In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or save an image from Behance. This is a useful skill to have if you want to curate inspiration or reference material for your creative projects. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortably saving your favorite images to your mood boards or collections. First, let's head over to Behance, the online platform where creatives share their work and connect with others in the industry. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Behance on your search engine. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll see a plethora of artworks and projects to explore. Feel free to scroll through and soak in all the creativity. Now, once you've found an image that catches your eye and you want to save, simply click on it. This will open up the project's full view, providing you with more detailed information about the piece, such as the creator's notes, project description, and related imagery. Spend some time here if you like to understand the artwork better. Next, you'll be looking for the Save button. It's usually located somewhere near the image, either at the top or bottom of the screen. Once you spot it, go ahead and click. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a mood board, which is a feature Behance offers to help organize your saved images and projects. If you've previously created any mood boards, you'll see them listed there. Here's a pro tip. If you haven't set up any mood boards yet, consider creating one based on themes or projects you're currently working on. This can help keep your inspiration organized and accessible. Once you've selected a mood board or created a new one, click to save the image to your chosen collection. It's as easy as that. You may want to double check that your image has been saved correctly by navigating to your profile or mood board section. This ensures that your curation of creative materials is exactly how you want it to be. By taking these few simple steps, you've successfully saved an image from Behance into your curated mood board. You can now revisit it at any time to draw inspiration or simply appreciate the artwork. This method not only allows you to organize and keep track of influential pieces, but also supports the artist by acknowledging the work that resonates with you. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in navigating Behance to save your treasured finds. Thank you for watching and happy collecting.